So on the left-hand side of the screen, you can see where I solved an inequality where we had not an equal sign between our two expressions. Here we're going to do the same thing, but this rule down here is going to come into play. So ultimate goal is still to get x's together. So I'm going to think about getting the 3's over to this side. So I have my 5x, these are canceled out, is less than 7x, and then 11 minus 3 is 8. This time I have x's on both sides of the equation. So I want to get these 7x's over here. So now I've got negative 2x is less than 8. Still trying to get that x completely by itself. So I'm going to divide by negative 2. And this is when you should hear those alarm bells going off in your head. We're going to divide by a negative. So I'm going to flip that inequality sign. So because of that negative 2, I have to flip my inequality sign. Now proceed as normal. So these negative 2 divided by negative 2 is 1. So I'm just left with x. 8 divided by negative 2 is negative 4. So x is greater than negative 4. And just to show a couple of the different formats like we did in the other problem, my x is greater than negative 4. So I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to use I'll do the open circle first like I did before. So at the negative 4, I have either an open circle to show it's not 4, but it goes right up to that 4 and anything greater. Or I could do it with the parentheses. And again, right at the 4 and anything greater. So not including 4, but anything greater than that. Or I can write it this way. X can go from 4 up to infinity. So again, the big thing to remember here is when you multiply or divide by a negative sign, that's when we have to flip that inequality. So it started off as a less than, now it becomes a greater than in the solution. That's it. Thank you.